Morning everybody. Today going to a balloon festival. Stay tuned. This morning I had forgotten about the balloon festival. I was walking the dogs and I saw a balloon which sparked my memory. So I'm gonna go check it out. It's just down the road from where we're staying. And then I've got some errands to run, but I thought I'd take you along in case there's anything cool there. Big Daddy is working, unfortunately, but they do have what they call the illumination this evening, where the balloons, I believe, stay on the ground. I'm not really sure, but they all light up sort of in sequence, and it's supposed to be very pretty. So if he wants to do that, we'll go back this evening and check that out. So I'll turn the camera back on when I get there. Alright, I'm here at the fairgrounds. You can see it behind me there. First thing when I got here, I heard the helicopter. So I just went to talk to them. There's a 10-minute wait, and then I'm gonna go take a helicopter ride, which I think will be fun. You hear it coming in, right? It's on its way. I don't know if we'll be able to see it for the trees. There it comes. There's two groups waiting to go. First one's going to get on now, and then this group over here are next. Then I'm going to come back, give it a try. So let's go check out the fairgrounds. Definitely over 70 pounds. Oh, sorry, generator. Past the generators. Love those things, right? Now we're gonna go check on some petting zoo, and there's a car and bike show. So let's carry on. Moving on now to the bird aviary. We used to have one of these in our backyard. Not on a trailer. It was pretty cool.
You're going to see the change in the behavior of the dog. We have canine geek out here. So if we track someone and we actually find a suspect, what's the first thing else he's going to do? He's going to get him handcuffed and secured. However, if that person were to start fighting that officer, thinking, oh, he's all by himself, and I think I can take this guy. This is a non-verbal command that we use with our dogs. So if he starts I think it's going to be his backup for that particular case. He's working.
Forgot how to let go.
Come off that bike until we have them escort them off that bike and tell them to come off that bike.
He's not going.
They're going to be our backup for us.
Caddy. Uh-oh. This ain't good. He's not listening too well. Is he the one that's not?
They're going to be our backup for us. We need to make sure that they stay on that suspect until we pull them off the dog. Off the suspect.
It's like I want a piece of that.
Again, I go into non-verbal command. Canine Ace again.
So you're okay as long as you put your hands in the air.
There was a recall, and I'm going to ask Officer Paul to do
And if you run,
scenario to assist
you're
Officer.
going down.
So if the suspect complies, what if that suspect complies and says, I give up, I don't want this, we can recall our dog. But,
Alright, time to go find the helicopter. Alright, well, that was the Findlay, Ohio Balloon Fest. I haven't seen one single balloon, so they must be out flying. But like I said, tonight they come down, they'll do the glow. I'm not sure if Big Daddy's going to want to come because it doesn't start till 9. That's his bedtime, so we'll see. I got as far as getting to the helicopter, but I'm claustrophobic, and I thought, well, it's only a 5-minute ride, shouldn't be too bad. But then when I got up there, it's like, can't do it. So we're not doing that today. I'm actually gonna get back in the car and soak up some air conditioning, and I have some water in there which I'm going to drink, and then I'm gonna go run my errands and get back to the dogs. Alright, I'm back in the car and try not to get a glare on this, checking on the dogs. I actually ended up going and getting a second camera because I couldn't see them. They were hiding in the by the front door. I don't know if you can see that real well, but they're nowhere to be seen in the living room, but I can still see by the thermometer it's 70 degrees. Electricity's running, TV's going, and then all I do to see the other camera is go back to the main page, hit the kitchen, turn it sideways, and there they are, both laying by the front door. So now I know what they do when I'm gone. Hugs can't get up on the couch anymore, as I put cushions on the front of it, and that way he's not looking out the window and barking and freaking out, because that stresses him. You know, he sees people outside and he wants to bark at them. And the first time I left him was when we went to see the Bolins, and every time I checked on him, he was on that couch barking out the window. So I've checked on him several times today, and they both just sleep by the door. So that's helped relieve his anxiety, hopefully. But anyway, I'm off to the store now, and I'll check in with you later this evening. All right, bye. Oh, we're driving through downtown Findlay on Main Street. It's a really quaint town. Well, we didn't go to the illumination, but here's a couple pictures that were shared. Instead, we went out to dinner, which was fantastic. I had a seafood burrito. Big Daddy had the fajitas. He had the Corona. I had the margarita.